just a short video to show this Shark vacuum cleaner. This is model number Nz801UK. Comes in perfect working order. I have cleaned the bin fully, inside and out, and I have washed both filters. I've also taken the head apart and washed both the rollers. I've also washed inside the hose and the wand. Comes with one tool, the crevice combination tool. Things to note, on the front there's a little bit of rubber here, and as you can see it's gone, it's perished, but it doesn't affect it at all. Bit of wear around here also. On the cord there is a bit of insulation tape. The cord hasn't ripped, it's where it folds over and it's just crimped, so I'll put a bit of insulation tape around it. I'll just show it working quickly. I'll just plug it in. Up dust already. Now with this one it's called lift away, so you press the button and as you can see you can lift it away and then use the wand as such. I won't do it anymore because I've now got to clean the bin out. So you see the bin's getting dirty again.